It's the first week of the month. You're in the review meeting. Someone asks, next month, paid service revenue, free service load, body shop, parts, what's the forecast? You open your DMS and within 2 minutes you're already juggling reports and Excel exports from multiple workshops because the data is there, sales history, service history, insurance and value-added services. But it's spread across rooftops and reports. So forecasting becomes best guesswork. And best guesswork shows up as idle base 1 week, overload the next, wrong technician planning, wrong parts planning, and unstable monthly targets. Now look at this customer base view. In one multi-rooftop dataset, the base is over 1 million vehicles. Here's the shock. About 25% have never visited even once, and about 16% haven't returned in over 36 months. That gap between the entitled base and the convertible base is where most service revenue leaks. Now let's talk about what usually breaks the forecast. Most dealerships don't call everyone. They prioritize hot and warm customers, correct? But the revenue projection collapses when the service due list does not translate into live calling data during the peak months. This view shows it clearly: total due, allocated, live data, and attempted. If live data with telecallers drops, your throughput drops, even if your telecalling team is excellent. This is why we built BI as a service for after sales specifically for multi-workshop dealer groups. We don't replace your DMS. We standardize the extracts across workshops and turn them into decision-ready intelligence. So what decisions can a dealer principal or service head take immediately? Decision 1. Capacity planning. How many vehicles are realistically reachable next month, not just due on paper, so you can plan bays, technicians, and parts with control. Decision 2. Segment strategy. Hot and paid due customers go to expert calling teams. Dormant and lost segments move to low-cost channels like WhatsApp, SMS, and email. And calling happens only on high-intent responders. Decision 3. Accountability. Workshop-wise and RM-wise performance, so you know where the pipeline is slipping and where conversion discipline is strong. One honest note: this will not magically recover every lost customer. Some attrition is natural. What it will do is stop planning on Excel dumps and make service marketing measurable, predictable, and scalable. If you want, we'll share a one-page sample report format and the input checklist needed from your DMS. Reply BI on WhatsApp and we'll send it across.